Welcome back to my channel transformation. In today's video, you guys will join me as I challenge myself to create the perfect soft romantic everyday makeup look using really just 5 products by Envy that you guys are going to love. So let's get into it. I know so many of us struggle to achieve a balance between elegance and subtlety when it comes to creating a soft romantic makeup look. And you will find that your makeup ends up looking too bold or overdone or flip-sided, too natural and lacking this impact. So I know that it can be tricky, but don't worry, we're going to navigate. So I always do my brows first because I feel like that gives me the direction of creating my makeup and to also look very authentic and to just very uplifting in my regular day. So with the romantic makeup look, it kind of gives me an everyday look. And I'm using my brow pencil by Kiss New York. It is the Line and Fill brow pencil, and I'm using in the color chocolate brown. I do not like using dark brown because dark brown make my brows look even darker. So I don't want it to look not natural. So I just love to use brown or brunette. Those are the two brows that I usually use. Now I'm using my eyeshadow palette Kiss Me Rose, or no, Buy Me Rose. I'm sorry, by Envy. This is one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. I'm using this darkest brownish color. I am using Sweetness, that's the name of it, and I'm applying tape under my eye to create a cut crease. I'm sorry, I'm not getting my words correctly, but I'm using like a cut crease. So I'm using like a dark brown but not too dark, and I'm blending on the outer side of my eye, outer corner of my eye. And I'm going to use like a soft pink in the inner corner of my eye, like a pinkish color called Valentine. So this is also a great eyeshadow palette too for Valentine's Day, but we give them more of a romantic look. So if you are going to be doing Valentine's Day, this is a great makeup palette to use. So this is giving more of that soft romantic effect. So it's like, it's easy to get caught up in using too much product, wrong shades. But with this one, I'm just going to apply a little bit of eyeliner. So, and, give it more of a natural look. So this is it's creating a stunning, soft, romantic look that sure to boost your confidence. And also, you guys, you don't need to use a lot of foundation or concealer. For me, I don't use foundation because foundation sometimes be kind of thick on my skin. So I'm going to show you what kind of concealer that I use. But for right now, I'm using my Kiss New York. It's like a marker eyeliner, and I love that. And I'm just going to remove this tape. And you see, it gives it a nice clean cut. It's no mess, and it's lined right. And I love doing this makeup hack. So if you're not perfect doing makeup, this is the best way of doing it. So I'm using my tint moisturizer by Ruby Kisses, and I'm using it in the color Warm Coconut 345. I love the tint moisturizer, and I'm using my concealer Cappuccino 335. That's all I use. I'm not using too much. And I'm going to use my setting spray, the Ruby Matte. This is a Control the Oil. And I'm just going to use my brush to blend out the colors. As you guys can see, it looks very natural. Because you don't need to use a lot of foundation. You don't need no makeup. And you're just blending to create that natural looking flush. Especially under your eyes. So you don't need a lot of dimension. You define your crease. You use a little eyeshadow to enhance your features. You have your eyeliner, and it's simple, you guys. And I hope this was great. And this is the makeup look. Just give it a romantic effect. And I hope you guys really did like it, and I'm really obsessed with how the soft and romantic turn out. So this is the perfect blend of suitable and striking. So the key features that really makes the looks pop are like the soft pink colors and the browns and defining your brows. So if you guys haven't already, I want to say thank you so much for watching, and I love to hear your thoughts on this tutorial in the comments below. And if you're here, consider subscribing for more makeup tips and tricks and tutorials, and don't forget to check out my next video for more inspiration.